Is investing in notes better than investing in real estate? Well, I think so. Hi, my name is Desi Arnaz. I'm a professional investor and I've invested in both. Back in 1982, I started investing in real estate and I did that all the way until 2013. In 2013, I discovered note investing. And once I understood that I could actually get cash flow from real estate without being a landlord and without dealing with tenants and toilets and trash, I was in. And so I started learning everything that I could about note investing. Now, if you've been studying real estate investing or real estate brokering or anything like that, you've probably heard people talk about note investing. But if you started looking into it, you came to realize that it's pretty expensive to learn about note investing. Most of these gurus today are charging $5,000 to $30,000 to teach you how to invest in notes. Well, before you go down that road, consider this. I've put together a free 10-part video training series called Note Investing for Newbies. Now you can head on over to my website, which is investbrilliantly.com. And at investbrilliantly.com, you can download your free copy of Note Investing for Newbies. And you can study that. And if you like what you see, then consider going to some of those gurus and paying those big fees. Or you could also join our network, which is the American Wealth Builders Network. So you can head over to americanwealthbuildersnetwork.com. And there you can learn more about investing in mortgage notes and other investment vehicles. Because at that network, it's a network of investors like myself, entrepreneurs, and we get together, we network together, we share ideas, we share resources, and we all learn and grow together. So we'd like to have you over there. By the way, that network is free to join. So you can get the free download of Note Investing for Newbies at investbrilliantly.com. And while you're at investbrilliantly.com, click on the link to head on over to the American Wealth Builders Network and join our network too. I'll see you guys there.